My name is Appelusa, and I am a world champion artistic roller skater. I am best known for skating in a Chet Faker Gold music video. I have been a USA Roller Sport certified coach for over 20 years, and for the same amount of time, I've been working in the entertainment industry as a skating performer, coach, coordinator, consultant, and choreographer. And now I'm here to teach you how to roller skate. Ready to roll? Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of the beginner level class. This is the second half of the skills list that you would learn in a skating rink. So we're going to move on to pushes. Start with your toes turned out. Think about making a pie shape, not too big because your feet will just go really fast in opposite directions, and not straight today. We are going to turn the toes out slightly, so a small piece of pizza or a piece of pie. And we're going to push our hips slightly forward so that they line up over the toe wheels. We push off of our toe wheels when we skate. So the faster you go, the more you're going to want to bend your knees and put pressure over the toe wheels. So we're going to start to take marching steps in this position, keeping your heels close together. Don't forget to turn your toes straight for safety position. So let's give that a try. Toes are apart, heels are close together. You can use your arms for balance, bend your knees, and we're going to take those half steps forwards. Keeping your heels close together, toes straight, safety position, and drop your toe stop. Remember, you can use either toe stop, whatever's more comfortable for you. Hips are over the toe wheels, knees are bent, arms are out, half steps forward, marching steps, toes straight, safety, and stop. Now that you're going a little bit faster, let's go over stopping again. Just a reminder, you need to put your weight over the rolling foot in the center of the foot. You don't want to put your weight on the toe because you'll trip forward. You don't want to put the weight on the heel because your foot will slip out from underneath you. You want this foot to roll. So keep your weight more in the center. Belly button is also over that foot, and we're lightly putting the back foot down and gliding to a stop. Keep the knee you're standing on leaning slightly to the outside edge. So let's try those marching steps again. Weight on the toe wheels. You can let them roll out slightly. Safety and stop. Toes are turned out. Marching steps forward. Safety and glide to a stop. We can start to take a little bit bigger pushes now. So we are doing a little lean side to side. Also make sure that your feet are coming back together before the next push. Think about bringing your heels really close together. We don't want to skate like a sumo wrestler. You can watch how to not skate like a sumo wrestler in the intermediate level tutorial. We're going to start to take bigger pushes by letting the push foot roll out a little further away from you before it comes back to center. Notice that my lean is on the standing foot. I'm not leaning towards the push foot. You're pushing off the big toe wheels, knees are bent. Now you'll notice that I'm starting to get away from keeping both toes open in like a penguin march position, and I'm keeping my toes straighter and just letting the toe of the push foot open to the side. You're only going to be able to let that toe open if you're taking the weight off of it. The weight should be over the standing foot, not the push foot. That's pretty much it for the beginning level class. I would practice this a lot until you become a master of all the skills, and then you're on to the intermediate level. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe and like, and stay tuned for more tutorials.